Hello everybody, I'm Justin here on Wired Text, and today I just wanted to show you a little hint or little tip that I found out on Mac OS X. Now this is for you users that have lots of applications in your dock. Now, one thing that really made me mad was when I first bought my Macintosh, my MacBook Pro, which is now dead. You can watch my other videos to find out what happened to it. I love the Mac experience for the dock and desktop. Now, if I minimize this right here, I had the leopard background, and this is the dock that it came with, except QuickTime wasn't right here. But I was going to be adding applications. So, let's see. Let's go into my applications folder. Let's scroll down if I can here. Let's scroll down. Let's open up in Finder. Now, let's see. Stickies. I'm going to open up. No, I can't drag any applications. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to be adding stickies, QuickTime players, kind of in there. Let's see what else I can add. iDVD. And FrostWire, Automator. So I'm going to add all these icons into my dock here. And I don't use Dashboard. I'm going to drag that out. Nor do I use Mail. Addressbook, I don't like that. iPhoto, who uses iPhoto? Well, GarageBand, I kind of hate that. Time Machine, I gotta have. System preferences can be updated right here. Calendar, no. iChat, no. So, I was mad one day because I did not know how to reset my dock. Well, I didn't want to be looking at a picture in Spotlight, searching in Finder, looking and dragging and resetting the dock. So I found a script that you can do real easily, and it will reset the dock for you. So I'm going to open up TextEdit here and paste that script in and show you. So let's go to TextEdit, Spotlight, search that, and here's that script. So basically you're going to go to Finder, and you're going to be on your own profile right here, and then you'll go to Library, then you go to Preferences, you press P to find the P's, and you'll click Preferences, and then you have all this com.apple. Blah blah blah. So what you want to do is type in Spotlight com.apple.dock.plist. And once you do that, you might want to select Preferences so it knows to only search in that folder. Now, I think I'm on a guest account right now, therefore it's not going to reset it. If I go up here, I'm on a guest account. So I don't know if it gives me access to that. But, yeah, I don't think it's going to let me do that. But if you can find this file, let me see if I can actually find it in here. Let's help. Here it is. Dock. Well, I found it. These two files right here, actually, you want to take away these two files. So, com.apple.dock.plist, com.apple.dock.bd. So these two, oh man, these two files right here. Even though the script says only this one, you might want to do both of these. So you basically take these and put them in the trash. And basically our dock is reset down here. Now, the only thing is we gotta reset the dock. You can either restart the computer or type in terminal. Open up terminal and type in kill all dock. Now, one thing you might want to know is once you type in kill all, you must capitalize the D in dock. So once you do that, you want to press enter. It's going to take away a dock and bring it back up. And it basically reset my dock. So that's how you reset the dock on Mac OS X. It brought everything else back up. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. My email address is justinharris@wiredtext.info. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Uploading a few videos here. So this is a video of how you reset the dock. And again, I hope you enjoyed. I'm out. Peace.